Hi, Dr. Lee Chuan. I myself Nantini Rao. My metric number is CP220063. So this is the presentation of our group assignment, which is for subject operational strategy. And me and my group members chose Sime Darby Berhad to research about. Now I will continue with our introduction for the chosen company. So Sime Darby Berhad is recently rebranded as Sime in November 2024. Also was established in October 1910 by two British businessmen, which is William Sime and Henry Darby. It also headquartered in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, which the company employs over 30,000 people across 18 countries, primarily in the Asia Pacific region. Sime also specializes in heavy equipment, and it is also major player in the automotive sector, covering importations, assembly and distribution, also retail and rental. Initially, Sime Darby focused on the rubber industry, and the company diversified into palm oil and cocoa cultivation, and it also merged with Guthrie and Golden Hope in 2007. In November 2017, it separated into distinct entities, including Sime Darby Plantation Berhad and Sime Darby Property Berhad, to enhance performance visibility. Also, Sime Darby was listed in the Bursa Malaysia with significant market capitalization, and it also committed to sustainability, market and operational excellence and corporate governance. By implementing programs to protect natural resources, reduce ecological footprints, and promote biodiversity conservation. Okay, so let's move on to the first operation strategy. We found out that SIMW using VRIO analysis for their company. First of all, access to privileged technologies. SIMW Berhad benefits from partnership with Toyota and Daihatsu, also giving them access to advanced technologies that can meet their growing demand for hybrid and electrical vehicles. These collaboration provide unique manufacturing techniques that are unavailable to competitors and making them rare and hard to imitate. Additionally, Sime Darby organizational structure is also designed to fully utilize these technologies, improving vehicle quality and meeting safety environmental standards. Next will be market leadership. Sime Darby has strong partnership with renowned brands like Toyota, Perodua, Gintera, and so on. It enables the production of high quality vehicles and strengthening its reputation in the market. These relationships are valuable and rare, also setting the Sime Darby Berhad apart from the competitors. The long term nature of this partnership makes them difficult for others to replicate. Furthermore, Sime Darby operations are strategically structured to maximize the benefits of this collaboration and enhancing its market presence in Malaysia. And the next VRIO analysis will be strategic alignment. So, Sime Darby collaborations align with the sustainability goals of its partners, showcasing the company as the responsible and forward thinking. This deep strategic alignment is rare in the automotive industry and enhances its uniqueness. While competitors may try to adopt similar sustainability practices, the depth of Sime Darby's sustainability and partnership is difficult to replicate. The company is also well organized to adapt to market changes and foster their innovation through the collaborations.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Abzal Nizam bin Adazhar, AP210205. Today I'll present about operation strategy on operation performance analysis on societal level. Firstly is people. The Yayasan Sandabi has contributed 30 million ringgit in aid for various programs in education, sports, culture, and environment. And also they have engaged in numerous CSR activities. Second is planet. Sandabi target of net zero carbon emission by 2050. They have contributed on energy efficiency projects, comprehensive energy audits, and also expansion of renewable energy sources. Sandabi also invests and develop sustainable products and technologies to meet customer demands and also further operating efficiency. Lastly is profit. Sandabi Berhad delivered an exceptional net profit of 3.3 billion ringgit, which increasing of 14% from the previous years, and also increasing 39% on revenues to 67.1 billion ringgit. And also Sandabi tried to navigate its way through a more difficult market in China and also focus on particularly in Malaysia.
Hi, hello, good day to Dr. Chuan. My name is Nur Suhaida binti Zana Abidin, CP210067, and I will present about continuous and breakthrough improvement by Darby. So let me start to continuous improvement first. So in this continuous improvement have uh, two types of process change, which are modification and extension. So the first modification, SIME refines its processes to comply with regulatory standards. And SIME also focuses on cybersecurity, health, safety, and environmental standards. And then lastly, SIME implements digital proofing to minimize technological risk and business disruptions. Next is extension. SIME expand into diverse sectors and geographies to reduce risk, and also SIME ensure ethical governance with a zero tolerance policy for bribery. And then lastly, SIME evaluates acquisitions carefully to align with its goals. Samrabi also have key initiative for year 2024, which is the last year. They have boosting profitability by reducing inventory days and focusing on high margin business. Next is Samrabi refining its portfolio through acquisition and divestment. And then lastly, they're enhancing efficiency through cost optimization and productivity strategies. So this strategy highlights Samdrabi's commitments to innovation and operational excellence while ensuring sustainable and ethical growth. Next, let's exploring to the breakthrough improvement achieved by Sam Darby. So these advancements are categorized into two areas, which are development process chains and pioneering process chains. First, for development process chains, Sam Darby has made significant strides in the electric vehicle market by strengthening operations. They have introduced EV models from renowned brands like BMW, Mini, Porsche, and Hyundai, BYD, and Volvo. In addition, they are expanding EV infrastructure through collaboration with Shell and Kineta to provide high-performance charging solutions. Next is pioneering process chains. On the other hand, SIME has been proactive in capitalizing on new opportunities. They have acquired key power to enhance their presence and corporate regions, which is critical for the global energy transitions. And also they have expanded into e-commerce by securing the Toyota Industry Corporation franchise for forklift. And lastly, they have focused on high growth and sustainable industry ensure their competitive positioning.
Next, our present on discussion parts. Sandabi can continue to leverage their strategic partnership by strengthening their collaboration with Toyota, Prodwa, and Daihatsu, which they can focus on localized EV manufacturing and infrastructure. Sandabi can explore advanced technologies and also expand into adjacent sectors like renewable energy, healthcare, and industrial automations. Next, Sandabi can expand their leadership in high-growth markets, which they can target Indonesia and Thailand with localized strategy to meet their market demands. Sandabi can build affordable, energy-efficient vehicles and extensive EV ecosystem. Because of that, Sandabi can make a partner with startups for innovations in battery technology, autonomous driving, and sustainable platforms. Lastly, Sandabi can shape their regional sustainability policies by collaborating with governments to advocate for EV incentive and green infrastructure. Sandabi can invest in renewable energy and integrate low-carbon circular economy practices. This can make Sandabi's position as a benchmark for sustainability in Southeast Asia. To continue on the discussion part, Sandabi can enhance their CSR impact by support climate change efforts of renewable energy projects, environmental education, and reforestation. They can address digital inequality with tools, skills, and partnerships with NGOs and UN. This can make they balance their CSR and profit to build reputation and loyalty. Sandabi can adopt advanced technology like AI and IoT for predictive maintenance and energy monitoring, and also invest in next-gen technologies which to expand into renewable energy and sustainable agriculture. Lastly, for their continuous improvement strategy, they can focus on R&D to enhance efficiency and innovation, wish to stay agile in fast-changing and competitive market.
So, in conclusion, Sime Darby applies effective operational strategies to drive growth and sustainability by partnering with global markets like Toyota, Produa, and Daihatsu. They solidify their presence in the EV market and advanced green technology. And next, their efforts include strategy acquisition, portfolio refinement, and significant investment in EV infrastructure. This measure improve operational efficiency, profitability, and resilience through risk management and digital innovations. And the last but not least, Sime Darby's approach is guided by their commitment to people, planet, and profits. So this reflects their dedication to delivering sustainable growth and reinforcing their leadership in the industry. So that's all from us. Thank you.